Welcome, friends. If you're on a health journey and looking to burn fat while giving your body a healing boost, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple drinks that can transform your metabolism and recovery. Let's get started. This is not medical advice, it's just informational. We're going to unlock the secret to boosting your metabolism, improving brain function, and accelerating fat loss with 3 powerhouse drinks. You heard that right, 3 simple drinks you can easily incorporate into your routine. In this video, we dive deep into the science behind these drinks and how they help repair your body from the inside out. We're talking about cellular repair, detoxification, and giving your body the tools it needs to function at its best. Whether you're looking to optimize your health or just want to feel sharper and more energized, these drinks are a game changer. Stay tuned because I'm breaking down the why, the how, and the what when it comes to these incredible health-boosting beverages. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with everyone's favorite morning pick-me-up coffee. Whether you're a casual sipper or a die-hard aficionado, coffee has a special place in many of our hearts and daily routines. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, coffee? Really? Can it actually be that beneficial? But trust me on this one. Coffee, when consumed in moderation in the right way, can be a powerful tool for your health. It's not just about the caffeine kick, there's a lot more to this beloved beverage. First and foremost, coffee is a natural metabolism booster. This means it can help you get the most out of your day by keeping your energy levels up. It contains caffeine, a stimulant that increases your metabolic rate, meaning you burn more calories throughout the day, even at rest. Imagine getting a little extra help in burning those calories just by enjoying your favorite brew. This can be especially beneficial for those looking to shed a few pounds. It's like having a secret weapon in your weight loss arsenal. But the benefits of coffee go far beyond just weight management. It's a multifaceted drink that offers a range of health perks. Coffee is also chock full of antioxidants, those powerful compounds that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants are like little warriors fighting off the bad guys in your body. We're talking about reducing inflammation, boosting brain function, and even lowering the risk of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes and certain types of cancer. It's amazing how 1 cup can offer so much. Now let's talk about the best way to enjoy your coffee for maximum benefits. It's not just about drinking it, it's about how you prepare it. First things first, ditch the sugar and artificial sweeteners. These additives not only negate the health benefits of coffee, but also lead to energy crashes and cravings later on. It's a small change that can make a big difference. These additives not only negate the health benefits of coffee, but also lead to energy crashes and cravings later on. Instead, opt for natural flavors. Instead, opt for black coffee or add a splash of unsweetened almond milk or a touch of cinnamon for flavor. These alternatives not only enhance the taste but also add their own health benefits. And if you're feeling adventurous, try adding a teaspoon of MCT oil or grass-fed butter for a dose of healthy fats that can further boost your metabolism and keep you feeling full and satisfied. These additions can turn your coffee into a superfood. Another crucial tip is to be mindful of your coffee intake. Balance is key in reaping the benefits without the downsides. While moderate coffee consumption can be beneficial, excessive caffeine can lead to anxiety, insomnia, and other unwanted side effects. It's important to listen to your body and adjust accordingly. It's all about finding what works best for your body and listening to your own individual needs. Everyone's tolerance to caffeine is different, so personalize your coffee habits. And remember, the quality of your coffee matters. The source of your coffee can significantly impact its health benefits. Choose organic, fair-trade coffee beans whenever possible to avoid harmful pesticides and support ethical farming practices. This not only benefits your health, but also the environment and the farmers who grow your coffee. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. High-quality coffee can make a noticeable difference in how you feel. So there you have it. Coffee, the ultimate metabolism booster. It's more than just a drink. It's a lifestyle choice that can enhance your well-being. Embrace it as part of a healthy lifestyle, and you'll be amazed at the difference it can make. Cheers to your health and happiness. Now let's move on to another beverage superstar, tea. This ancient drink has been cherished for centuries across various cultures and for good reason. Whether it's green, black, oolong, or white, each type of tea offers its own unique flavor profile and set of health benefits. Tea is jam-packed with antioxidants and boasts an array of health benefits. These antioxidants help combat free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. One of the most well-known benefits of tea is its ability to support a healthy metabolism. Regular consumption of tea can help maintain a balanced metabolic rate, which is crucial for overall health. Green tea in particular contains catechins, a type of antioxidant that has been shown to increase calorie expenditure and boost fat oxidation. This makes it an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight. This means that drinking green tea can actually help your body burn fat more efficiently. Incorporating a cup or two into your daily routine can make a noticeable difference over time. But the benefits of tea don't stop there. It's a versatile beverage that can be enjoyed hot or cold, making it perfect for any season. Tea is also a gut health hero. It contains polyphenols, which act as prebiotics, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for overall well-being. These polyphenols help maintain a balanced gut flora, which is crucial for everything from digestion and nutrient absorption to immune function and even mental health. A healthy gut microbiome is crucial for everything from digestion and nutrient absorption to immune function and even mental health. The benefits of a well-balanced gut cannot be overstated. And if you're looking for a natural way to relax and de-stress, look no further than a warm cup of tea. The ritual of brewing and sipping tea can be a meditative experience. Tea contains L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and reduces stress hormones without making you drowsy. This makes it an ideal beverage for unwinding after a long day. When it comes to choosing your tea, opt for high-quality loose-leaf teas whenever possible. These teas tend to have a higher concentration of antioxidants and beneficial compounds compared to tea bags. These teas tend to have a higher concentration of antioxidants and beneficial compounds compared to tea bags. The quality of the tea leaves can significantly impact the flavor and health benefits. And just like with coffee, avoid adding sugar or artificial sweeteners to your tea. These additives can negate some of the health benefits that tea offers. Instead, experiment with natural sweeteners like honey or stevia in moderation, or embrace the natural flavors of the tea itself. You might be surprised at how satisfying a simple cup of tea can be. You can also add a squeeze of lemon or a few slices of ginger for an extra flavor boost. These additions not only enhance the taste but also add their own health benefits. So, whether you're a seasoned tea drinker or just starting to explore the world of tea, there's a tea out there for everyone. The variety is endless, and each type offers its own unique experience. Incorporate this antioxidant powerhouse into your daily routine and experience the incredible health benefits for yourself. From boosting metabolism to enhancing gut health and promoting relaxation, tea truly is a remarkable beverage. Chapter 3. Last but certainly not least, we have the most essential drink of all, water. This simple yet powerful liquid is the cornerstone of life itself, and its importance cannot be overstated. You've probably heard it a million times before, but staying hydrated is crucial for your overall health and well-being. Water is the fuel that keeps our bodies running smoothly, and without it, we simply can't function properly. Water is involved in countless bodily functions, from regulating body temperature and transporting nutrients to flushing out waste products and keeping your organs functioning properly. Every cell, tissue, and organ in your body needs water to work correctly. When you're dehydrated, even slightly, your body can't perform at its best. You might experience fatigue, headaches, and a lack of concentration. In severe cases, dehydration can lead to more serious health issues. One of the most significant benefits of drinking enough water is its impact on weight management. Drinking water before meals can help you feel fuller, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Water helps you feel full and satisfied, which can prevent overeating and curb cravings. This simple habit can be a game changer for those looking to maintain or lose weight. Plus, staying hydrated helps your body burn calories more efficiently. When you're well hydrated, your metabolism functions at its peak, aiding in the breakdown of fat and the conversion of food into energy. But the benefits of water go far beyond just weight loss. Water is essential for healthy digestion, helping to move food through your digestive tract and prevent constipation. It also aids in the absorption of nutrients from the food you eat. Water is also crucial for detoxification. It helps to flush out toxins and impurities, keeping your body clean and functioning optimally. This detoxifying effect can have a positive impact on your overall health and energy levels. It also helps to flush out toxins and impurities, keeping your body clean and functioning optimally. And let's not forget about the impact of water on your skin, Staying hydrated keeps your skin plump, supple, and youthful looking. Proper hydration can help to maintain skin elasticity and prevent dryness, wrinkles, and other signs of aging. Staying hydrated keeps your skin plump, supple, and youthful looking. It helps to maintain skin elasticity and prevent dryness, wrinkles, and other signs of aging. Hydrated skin is healthy skin, and it can give you a radiant, glowing complexion. It helps to maintain skin elasticity and prevent dryness, wrinkles, and other signs of aging. Now you might be wondering how much water you should be drinking each day. While there's no one-size-fits-all answer, a good rule of thumb is to aim for half of your body weight in ounces of water per day. For example, if you weigh 150 pounds, aim to drink 75 ounces of water throughout the day. Of course, this is just a general guideline, and your individual needs may vary depending on your activity level, climate, and overall health. It's important to listen to your body and adjust your water intake accordingly. So there you have it, water, the elixir of life. Make it a habit to carry a reusable water bottle with you everywhere you go and sip on water throughout the day. This simple practice can make a world of difference in how you feel and function. Make it a habit to carry a reusable water bottle with you everywhere you go and sip on water throughout the day. Your body will thank you for it. Remember, water is not just a drink, it's a vital component of a healthy lifestyle. Your body will thank you for it. So, raise a glass of water and toast to your health and well-being. Cheers to staying hydrated and living your best life. So, there you have it. 3 simple drinks that can make a world of difference in your health journey. Ready to start making these drinks a part of your daily routine? Watch the video to see exactly how each drink works to repair and support your body while speeding up fat loss. Remember, small changes can lead to significant results over time. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 of these drinks into your daily routine and see how you feel. You might be surprised at the positive impact they can have on your energy levels, digestion, skin, and overall well-being. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and scientific insights. And as always, this video is for informational purposes only and is not medical advice. Please consult a healthcare professional before making any health decisions. Stay healthy, everyone.